it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna first of all try and stay closer to the computer and away from this bright sunshine, because for whatever reason it's incredibly sunny outside in October. So go figure. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and have a look at how you can make money online using surveys. Now, this came about because one of my blog readers sent me an email and said, look, can you go ahead and have a look at some survey sites which are worth joining? Now, there's hundreds and hundreds of different survey sites available. In this article what I've wrote over on the blog, I've gone through and I've picked, I think, about 15 different sites. And I've picked them all for a number of reasons. Predominantly, first of all, they're all free to join. They're all simple to do, and the sites that I've picked on this blog post, they have a low threshold withdrawal. Now, so what that means is, unlike some survey sites out there where the minimum withdrawal is $40, $50, £50, etc., I've tried to find different sites which have a low withdrawal. Now, some of these sites that I've found on here, they actually have a no minimum withdrawal, and then you have some other sites which have like £3, £5, £10, $10, etc. So I'll jump into this and I'll show you some different sites that you can go ahead and use. If this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark. This here is one of my blogs, and I blog and I share videos about earning online and working from home. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, then you'll always know when I'm uploading videos. And don't worry, I have got no #1 recommended way to work from home or anything like that, because what may work for me may not work for you. So I don't have a set way or a #1 way to make money online. Ultimately, I go ahead and I just share simple ways that you can work from home. Most of the things that I share are free to do, and they're all pretty similar. They're all simple to do, they're easy to do, and they're quick to do. And like I say, if you go over to my blog, you can go through here. There's just hundreds of different articles about making money online and working from home. So let's jump into today's video. So today I'm going to go ahead and actually use my site today. So we're looking at this site here. So Make Money Online Surveys. This is the blog post that I did yesterday, and it's pretty big, to be honest with you. And I've split this out between the UK sites and the US sites. A lot of these survey sites are available in other countries as well, but I was predominantly focusing on UK and US sites. So if we just scroll down here, I'll just give you a bit of an opening, an introduction to this. So let's talk about some top tips when it comes to doing survey sites. So the first one is, I highly recommend whenever you're doing this, is go ahead and get a dedicated email address. So go to Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail or whatever and get a new email account. And then what will happen is, when you're signing up to these different survey sites, you're never going to go and miss when they send you an email. Because I've been guilty of this in the past when I used to do online surveys. Signed up, I used my normal email, and then I used to miss when I used to get an email from the survey companies inviting me to go ahead and do a survey. So get a dedicated email address, and then it won't clog up your normal inbox as well. So by having a dedicated email, it's just a really simple way to keep everything all in one place. Next, I'd say sign up to as many of these as possible. Now, the reason why I recommend you do that is you're going to have a better chance of earning money, because some of these survey sites, they send between 4 and 5 surveys a month. So if you signed up with more, it just stands to reason that you're going to get more invites to go and participate in more surveys, and then you're going to predominantly earn more money. Don't ever pay to join. That's another one. I've seen that some of these survey sites out there where they try and charge you $5 or $10 a month. Don't pay. You absolutely do not need to go ahead and pay to join any survey sites. I'd say 95% of survey sites are free to join, and there's no reason why they wouldn't be free, because they want as many people in taking their surveys as possible, because that means they're earning more money, and then in turn you're going to earn more money. And then the last one is just always be honest. By being honest, you're going to go ahead and get matched to surveys that are suitable to you, that are suitable to the company, and you'll just make more money. So let's just scroll down here. So as you can see here, I've separated this out. So the first ones we're going to look at, and I'm not going to go into every single one, don't worry, but I'll just give you the overview of a couple of these different ones. So the first one I went ahead and found was this one here, Taluna, and I've used Taluna in the past. If you click on here or the picture, it'll send you over to a website. But the reason why I like Taluna quite a lot is, first of all, it's the minimal withdrawal is pretty low compared to other sites, but also they go ahead and they send you products, and then you can get to not only take the survey, but you get to keep the products as well. So it's pretty cool, and they work with some huge brands. Now if I just go over to their website, I'll just show you their website. This one here, this is their website here. So if you just scroll down here, you can see it's a pretty good looking website, to be honest with you. But here are some of their partner brands. So these are different brands who they're working with, and you can see on here Amazon, CBS, Kellogg's, Expedia, Sony. These are huge brands who are working with this company, and you get to go ahead and work with them. You can get products, you can do reviewing websites, you can look at marketing campaigns. There's just so many different ways you can make some extra money with these sites. And then you've got the usual stuff on here, testimonials and how to get started. But it's really simple. Just click on get started, put in your name, your email, and then you pretty much go through sign up, and then you have a dashboard. You can look at all of the online surveys which are available. You can apply to online surveys. But Taluna, it's a great website. They've been around for a long time, and they also do partner with other survey companies. So also on this blog post as well, you can see how much can you expect to earn per survey. So some of these sites will pay you in points, and then you just simply redeem the points for prizes. So you can see on here different rewards that are available on this survey site. Here you've got free products, several prize draws, Amazon vouchers that are all up for grabs every single week. So that one there was Taluna. We've then got Inbox, we've got Global Test, we've got iSurvey. This is a pretty cool one. iSurvey, the reason why I picked these ones, they give you, once you sign up to these, they go ahead and put money straight into your account. So let me just scroll up here. It's on here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, here you go. Sign up and get $5 now. If you're in the UK, it's £5. If you're in the US, it's $5. So they're all pretty much the same in terms of, you know, how you get started. Step 1, join our community, answer questions, answer surveys, and you earn money from doing so. So this here is iSurvey, but this is another pretty cool one. And then one last one I've got open in my browser to quickly show you is this one here. It's Swagbooks. Now I've done a video on Swagbooks in the past. I personally use Swagbooks for when I'm searching on the internet, because I get paid for pretty much, well, just searching basically. So if I go over to Swagbooks, I'll show you Swagbooks here. So this is my account on Swagbooks. On the left hand side you've got all of your usual categories, but this is how it's laid out, and it's predominantly the same on these other survey sites. Answer surveys and earn. So you can see on here, this is the survey. It tells you normally how long it will take, and then how many Swagbooks you can expect to earn. And it's like I say, it's the same on the other different sites. They'll tell you what the survey is about, how long it's going to take, and how much you can expect to earn from doing so. Now, out of all of these ones, I personally favour Swagbooks, because not only can you do surveys, you can watch videos, you can get paid for searching the internet, you can go ahead and get cash back on your shopping, and it's just a great website to use. You can see on here there's lots and lots of different things that you can do on here. So this here is Swagbooks, but as you can see on this blog article here, there's just lots and lots of different survey sites that you can go ahead and join for free. And like I say, you can see it's got all the details on here. So I share on every single one how much you can expect to earn per survey, the rewards which are available on the website, and also the minimal withdrawal from the site also. So if you just scroll down here, you can see we've got the UK, and then we're going to the US sites here, and there's lots on here. So that is pretty much today's video. So how you can make money online doing surveys. Now look, let's be absolutely honest with this. You're not going to make lots of money doing so. The most money I ever made when I was doing online surveys, and this was a couple of years ago, I think it was about £220, £230. And that was because I was just signed up to as many of these different survey sites as possible, and then I was doing surveys in the morning, I was doing them on my journey into work, I was doing them on my lunch break. I was spending quite a bit of time doing them, and like I said, the most I earned was a couple of £100. So you can make money doing this. It's a simple way to make money online. It's an easy way to make money online. However, it's not one of the fastest ways to make money online. but that's entirely up to you. So that is today's video. I will drop a link to this blog article here for you, so you can go ahead and check this out, and it's got links out to all of these different websites on here. And if you're not interested in making money online taking surveys, then look at some more of the related posts on here, the recent posts. You can see there's just so many different ways that you can make money online. So thank you for watching today's video. Keep an eye out for tomorrow, because I've got a great way to go ahead and show you how you can make some easy money and that you get paid out in PayPal. So I shall see you tomorrow.